What have we got here? The Soothing Sounds of the Apocalypse, presented by Voltec. We've got Nat King Cole, Perry Como, the Castells, Buck Owens, Johnny Cash, Scatman, Crothers, the Ink Spots, Ella Fitzgerald, and Jack Sheldon. I don't know what that name is on the back. Looks very good. I couldn't even say the last one, could I? It's already open a little bit up here, so.
That's how you can see.
I want to see what the disc is like, actually.
Yeah.
If it's like blue and yellow or something.
Yeah, blue and yellow.
Keep that sticky.
I just put it here.
Yeah. Oh, we've got a poster, I think, or something. Oh, this looks cool.
Oh, I want to see the disc. Wait, the disc inside that.
Yeah. So that's just telling you all the songs.
David, look. Oh!
Oh, wow, that looks cool.
Should we play it?
Look at that.
Dave, do you want to play it?
Yeah, side A first. Let's move over to the auditorium. Remember, it's on the catch first.
No.
Lift it up.
Whoops.
I think it was just loud, wasn't it? Oh, it's just the end.
Don't let the stars get in your eyes, don't let the moon break your heart. Love blooms at night, in daylight it dies. Don't let the stars get in your eyes, or keep your heart from me, for someday I'll return and you know you're the only one I'll ever love.
Okay, it might be too
many
fast.
nights, too many nights, too many stars, too many moons.
Let me just alter the speed. See if that makes it. Oh yes, that's how it should be. We had it on fast forward. We'll do that.
Hey, Daddy, if you put it there, wait, does it get all the way to the middle, then it stops?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Oh!
Incredible, isn't it? Technology. Many miles. Let's fast forward a little bit. Oh, I know you're enjoying that one, weren't you? Try it.
Is it
Oh, do that? Go on. It'll be funny.
Well, I hope you come see me in the movie. Then I know that you plainly see.
Oh boy approves of this.
Biggest fool that's ever hit the big time. And all I gotta do is act naturally. We'll make the scene about a man that's sad and lonely. And begging down upon.
So should we switch to the other side?
Yeah.
Let's switch it over. Oh, you probably wanted to do that, didn't you? Go on then, you ready?
Be sure you make a lot. Your coffee, it's the spot. So keep
one minute,
that
yeah.
coffee hot. I love your coffee pot. So keep that coffee hot. So keep that coffee hot. So keep that coffee hot. So keep.
Fast forward.
Go on then.
One life's worth living when nature's given happiness to everyone. So let's go native. sign your cares away, be creative, learn to live and play. Pretty flowers need the sun. This applies to everyone. Life's worth living when nature's giving happiness to everyone. So let's go.
Don't even have to watch.
Let's let it play the next one then. By itself.
Crawl out through the fallout,
Oh,
baby.
yeah, this is a cool
When
one.
they drop that bomb.
It's from the
Crawl
TV
out
show.
through the fallout with the greatest of a clown. When your white count's getting higher, hurry, don't delay. I'll hold you close and kiss those radiation burns away.
Look, there's the goal.
Out through
Yeah, it's a cool, isn't it? Yeah.
baby, to my loving arms.
Oh, that's the robot as well.
Through the rain of strontium-90. Think about your hero when
Oh my
you're at
goodness,
ground
that sounds
zero.
great.
And crawl out through the fallout back to me. Crawl out through the fallout, baby. You know what I mean. Crawl out through the fallout, 'cause they said this bomb was clean.
Should we fast forward?
Yeah, last one then, and then we'll wrap it up.
I just want to
Oh, this is a legendary one, yeah.
Okay, stop. I didn't put it on the start. Just line that up.
a flame in your heart.
Yeah, it's a good one, this one. Wow, this one.
In my heart I have but one desire, and that one is you.
Can we put the disc back in when the song finishes?
Yeah. Let it play out.
Yes, like.
I've lost all ambition, a world of
But we've been doing this for 7 minutes.
Yeah,
I
7 minutes.
just want to be
Ah,
you love.
It's a cool
time
disc.
travels
It's
fast.
a cool disc. Let's see what it looks like from the top.
That you
It spins
feel
around.
the same. I'll have reached the
It's just a
goal
dog
I
next to the
dreamed
thingy that we've got.
Yeah, he loves it, doesn't he? Look.
I don't
It's called, guess what his name is?
I
In
know.
Fallout 4. Dogme.
I know, it's a bear.
Yeah, he is.
Look.
Yeah. Yeah.
a flame in your heart. I don't want to set the world on fire, honey. I love you too
Well, that plays nicely, that one does, anyway.
much. I just want to stop.
New discs play nice.
We do, yeah. That Red Dead Redemption one's a bit wonky.
Yeah, like.
You see,
What have we got?
way down
Yeah, you
inside
got all of
me,
them. You have to play it from the beginning, don't
darling, I
you?
Wait, have
have
we got the
only one
Walking
desire.
Dead one? Oh, we got loads.
Yeah, Walking Dead one.
And that one
We got
desire
more.
is you.
Yeah. Well, they sent me that for free, actually.
Nobody
Free.
else ain't gonna do.
Pounds actually.
Free them for America, yeah.
No, £3.
I've lost all ambition for what
Zero.
I just want to be the one
I
you
forgot my
love.
glasses. Oh, wait, yeah.
And with your admission that you feel the same, I'll have reached the goal
Let's see
line.
what it sounds on it when we sped it up a little bit. Wait a second. Oh, he's getting too fast. Well, there we go. Well, that's cool, isn't it? Awesome.